तर जाणटे आसतलेच देखून आमी जाणटेल्यांचो आशिर्वाद घेवपाक जाय नवे तरणाटे तयार करपाक जाय आनी जाणटेल्यांक टायम येयलो म्हणटकूच कुशीन रावपाक जाय नॉट स्टॉप एनी सिनियर लिडर फ्रॉम वर्किंग.
दुसरे वटेच्यान पयले पांडुरंग मडकयकार ऑलरेडी भायर पळयता.
Pandurang Madkekar, I can tell you, had been hurt. He was hurt because his portfolio is very remote, but he is having some feelings. And you have to assure them, see, if there is an injustice, it was done during the earlier regime. He was dropped as a minister during the Gambar Kamal's time.
Trying to
Pandurang Madkekar is with the Congress. He has at least never told me that he is outside Congress, he is leaving Congress. He has spoken to me. But I also know
that there are issues.
There are issues where he was given a raw deal.
That you are contesting, you are taking the leadership role, and you will be in the fray. Can I expect that announcement today?
Not come here
Absolutely.
with my personal
Agreed.
agenda. Sometimes it takes courage to say, I don't want to contest, but I will see that the party gets victorious.
Looking at an united front of all the opposition minus Aam Aadmi Party of the...
To have a stable government,
Yes.
you cannot have motley crowds.
Okay.
Who will be soon after the election waiting and then pledging their support whichever side they feel is giving them showing them the carrot.